Hi, welcome back to another video. What if I told you that if you spend a total of 2 minutes every morning, you can literally reverse your biological age? You don't need expensive equipment, nor do you need a big list of supplements. You just need to show up every morning and commit to this research-backed 2 minutes routine. So watch till the end of this video and I'm going to share with you this super simple routine which can help you to reverse your biological age, making you feel healthier and younger again. But before we dive into this 2 minutes morning anti-aging routine, please do me a small favor by hitting the like button, subscribe and sharing your thoughts or feedbacks in the comments below. Please be aware that these recommendations are generalized and may not be suitable for you, so please seek further advice from your healthcare provider. Now, most people don't understand that your chronological age is not the same as your biological age. And it is your biological age that actually determines how healthy you are. So you might be 40 years old, but if your cells are so inflamed, if your mitochondria is not functioning optimally, and your stress hormones are through the roof, then your body might be functioning like a 60 years old. But here is the good news. Research has shown this quick and easy routine that you can do today can literally reverse your biological age. Let's get started with this simple 2 minutes protocol that you can do easily in the morning so you can kickstart your anti-aging journey. And let's first start with Wim Hof Breathing technique, which has been shown in research that it increases oxygenation of your blood, reduces inflammation markers in your body, and activates genes related to cellular repair and cellular resistance. And this is not just any breathing technique that you might have done before. This is a specific 60-second breathing technique that gives you ample anti-aging benefits. Find a comfortable position. Breathe in deeply through the nose or mouth and through the belly to your chest. Then let the breath go, but without forcing it. Exhale through the mouth, then immediately breathe in again. And take 30 such breaths in short bursts. You can try to do it at your own pace slowly. Approximately, it takes 2 to 3 seconds to complete one cycle of this. And you complete 30 breaths. Then you exhale forcefully completely. And then you hold your breath for as long as possible, but try to aim for at least 30 to 60 seconds. But don't strain your body. It might take some time to get used to it. After that, take one final deep inhalation and let the air out and stop inhaling. Hold the breath until you feel the urge to breathe again. Inhale very deeply to full capacity and hold for 15 seconds, and then let go. This completes the first round. And repeat the whole process again 3 to 4 times. And after completion, take time to meditate and enjoy the state of deep relaxation. Now let's go to the step 2, which is the cold water face plunge. These will take approximately only 30 seconds. These particular 30 seconds are going to activate your cold shock proteins, which triggers mitochondrial biogenesis as well as cellular repair. It also activates your anti-inflammatory system in your body so that your inflammatory markers are lower. So after you have done with your breathing techniques, then either you go to your sink and fill it with cold water. You might have to add ice if it is not cold enough. Room temperature doesn't count. You actually need it very cold. The colder it is, the better it is for you. So take a deep breath and plunge into the cold water and stay there for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Then you come up, take a couple of deep breaths. And then after that, you plunge your face once more time over there for 10 to 15 seconds. So again, that is a total of 30 seconds and that's it. If initially it is very difficult for you to do a face plunge, then you can just start with applying some cold water on your face here and there. And then finally, you can muster the courage of doing this cold water face plunge. Now let's move on to our step 3, which only again is going to take 30 seconds. And we're going to do a quick movement burst. What it does is that it activates an AMPK enzyme that reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, as well as sends a signal for cellular repair in our body. In fact, this AMPK enzyme also activates several longevity genes, which fasting also activates. And there are a couple of options over here. Option 1 is doing plank holds. And just holding it for 30 to 40 seconds is enough to activate AMPK. The second option is to do 20 to 30 bodyweight squats. Try to do full range of motion, but keep it controlled. The third option is to do wall sits. Basically, resting your back against the wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and then you hold it for 30 seconds. You don't have to do all the 3 exercises, you just need to pick one. You can also rotate these exercises on different days. So by doing all these 3 different steps, you're activating your nervous system, specifically your parasympathetic nervous system, which rebalances your hormones. The cold face plunge improves your cold shock protein, which is the most powerful anti-aging thing. Plus, it also improves your mitochondrial biogenesis. And then in the end, doing this quick burst of movement activates the AMPK gene, which reduces inflammation and activates autophagy in your body. So in this quick, simple routine, you have activated and worked on all the different pathways of anti-aging and has already stepped into reversing your biological age and improving your health in general. One more bonus tip. As soon as you wake up, if you can just do 30 to 40 seconds of sunlight exposure, that further enhances your sleep quality and will give you so much more health benefits. Now, you might not see a difference in a day or two because it is working in your body internally. So do this consistently for at least 4 months and you will start noticing that you are waking up more fresh in the morning. You have consistent energy throughout the day. You will feel that your brain is functioning optimally and much improved as compared to before. Plus your mood is much more stable and you will feel your inflammation and body pain also improving significantly. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting this great information in the future. Plus share this with others who can benefit from it also. Until next week, take care. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please leave your comments below and share this video. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future weekly video release. Please also subscribe to this channel. This is free of charge but will help the channel to grow. If you're interested in improving your health and fitness or losing weight, if you suffer from or wish to prevent back pain, please take a look at my book, which is now available from Amazon worldwide. Thank you.